Hello, my name is Jean-François Fouché. I am a second year plastic engineering student at the Cégep of Mines. In this field of study, we discuss about the different properties of the polymers to characterize, transform, and design the future shape of this futuristic material. While I'll be working in the industries, the universal language is English, which is not my primary language. That website will support my writing when I'll have to communicate with my boss or the different companies who will be working with me. Alright, first, with the browser of your choice, you will find the address bar in the top center of your screen. We will need to type the following URL, which is www.virtualwritingtutor.com. In this page, you can find the logo in the upper left corner and the social media icon, which will link you directly to their social pages if you want to learn more deeply into them, on the upper right corner. Below those icons and logo, there is a navigation menu installed to navigate through the different pages of this website. Below the navigation menu, you will find the different tools to correct your writing, which we will get back to later on. Okay, we are ready to write our text. We will use the text area in the middle of the screen. For example, let's write, "This polyethylene is very viscous." When you're finished with your writing, click on the Check Grammar tool located in the toolbar mentioned before. Now, Virtual English Tutor displays different data concerning your text. In this example, we have 5 words and an error density of 20%, which is an error in 5 words. The errors made are shown below those statistics, and the website suggests different possibilities that could be the correct spelling, depending on what you wanted to say. You can then correct your sentence and check grammar again if needed. Okay, let's say you're not familiar with that particular word you just misspelled. Virtual English Tutor offers the next text-to-speech option in the bottom right corner of the area. Let's write the only word we need to hear for pronunciation purpose. Then you can try to speak it with the speech recognition option and it will write what the software heard from you. This way you'll see if you're wrong or not. I'll let you explore this option by yourself. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you. I hope it was useful and that you will be well tooled to use that wonderful website. Have a great day.